Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 13F and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Let me quickly remove the photo. This is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So just tap on add picture, and here you've got 3 different sections from which you can choose the picture from. So here in the device photos, you can immediately open the camera app just by tapping on this option and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. Or you can enter your gallery and set your own photo as a contact picture. Google Photos, so here you've got basically the backed up photos and illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, which is really a nice option, especially in the situation if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So you can find something which resembles you about this specific person. So let me just choose maybe this one. So basically in the illustrations you've got the presets, so you can find some options which are nice for you, and you can also change the position of the photo. You can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position the photo just like you want to and then tap on choose. Now let's tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.